Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. In this video, we'll be reviewing Coursera's Grow Your Career courses and whether they're worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Coursera is one of the leading online learning platforms, offering courses, professional certificates, and even full degrees from top universities and industry partners. The Grow Your Career collection is specifically designed for people looking to build in-demand skills, switch careers, or strengthen their professional profile with recognized certifications. Users often highlight the wide variety of programs available, whether it's data science, digital marketing, business management, IT support, or language learning. Coursera provides accessible options for learners worldwide. The platform's flexibility allows you to learn at your own pace, making it ideal for full-time professionals or students managing busy schedules. On the positive side, Coursera's partnerships with universities like Yale, Stanford, and institutions such as Google and IBM add credibility. Many of the certificates can be shared directly to LinkedIn, helping users showcase new skills to employers. Another benefit is affordability. While full degrees can be pricey, most short courses and certificates are much cheaper than traditional classroom programs, and many have free versions you can audit. Still, Coursera isn't perfect. Some users note that while courses are high quality, the level of support can vary compared to in-person education. Peer-graded assignments and forums help, but one-on-one guidance is limited unless you join premium options. Completion rates are another challenge. Since it's self-paced, motivation is key. And while certificates from well-known companies do hold value, not every employer treats them the same as a university degree. In summary, Coursera's Grow Your Career programs are worth considering if you want affordable, flexible, and credible online learning that helps you upskill or shift into new career opportunities. However, if you prefer traditional classroom interaction or need heavy personal guidance, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact